Within report management, there are a lot of different areas that you can access. Report security is the topic we're going to cover today. Users with the global role access reports will have access to the report management tile on their homepage. Their level of access, view, or edit to the global role access reports dictates whether the user can edit their reports that are shared with them. This would supersede the report access configuration. Report management's report access area allows users to share their reports with other users, global roles, and resource security groups as view-only users or as owners that can also edit the report. In Tempest, you can share your report with other users, global roles, and resource security groups, share your reports with view-only users, share your reports with users that can edit the report, or keep your reports private by not sharing it with other users, global roles, and security groups. Within role management, we have an access reports permission that you can give users edit or view access to the report management tile. If they have edit access, they'll be able to create new reports as well as edit any reports they have owner access to, or view only access where they will only be able to view the reports they are shared with them. If they have no access, they will not be able to see the report management tile on their homepage. Within report management, there's the report access area here, which is where you can give your different users or user groups access to your reports. You can either give them viewer access, where they'll only be able to view the report and not edit them, or you can give them owner access, where they'll be able to edit the reports that are shared with them as well. Keep in mind, report owner is different from creator, so report owners here will not be able to delete any reports that are shared with them, only the creator will.